Well, let's discuss the details about the technology and what spectrum is needed for 5G.
5G uses new and rarely used radio millimeter bands in the range of 30 GHz to 300 GHz. Current 4G networks operate on frequency below 6 GHz. The air interface defined by 3GPP for 5G is known as new radio, in short term NR, subdivided into two frequency bands. The first frequency band, which is known as frequency 1, is less than 6 GHz, and the frequency 2 is the millimeter wave, which is above 24 GHz. The maximum channel bandwidth defined for frequency 1 below 6 GHz is about 100 MHz. The band mostly widely being used for 5G in the range is around 3.5 GHz. Korean carriers are using 3.5 GHz. For the frequency 2, which is above 24 GHz, the minimum channel bandwidth is about 50 MHz and the maximum 400 MHz. Verizon uses 28 GHz, AT&T uses 39 GHz, right? 5G can use frequency up to 300 GHz. You see, the higher the frequency is, the greater the data transfer speed is. 5G can support approximately 1,000 more devices per millimeter than a 4G. So, millimeter wave is a short range, and it's mostly operated in LOS, line of sight, we call it that. Doesn't need as much spectrum, right? So, the higher the frequency, the lower is the range, right? So 5G, if you operate anything above 24 GHz, it's not really suitable for outdoor. You know, and there's high propagation loss. There's a lot of absorption from the raindrops. Today, millimeter wave are being utilized for applications such as streaming high resolutions within indoors.